guys, and welcome back to another tried and tested with me, Aideen. Today I'm not looking like my usual self because I'm just out of the shower. I have damp hair. I've kind of let it dry a little bit, but it is damp because today I want to test out the Aurora Band. So basically you put this on at night time when you're sleeping and it's supposed to give you like princess curls. So on this it says to do it with dry hair, but I've heard doing it with wet hair is good too. So we're going to do it tonight with wet hair and then tomorrow with dry hair, and we're going to see if there's a difference in results and if it actually works. So I'm going to give it a go, and yeah, here we go. So I've just put it on and I realised I think I actually put it on backwards. I think the elasticated bit is probably supposed to be here so that the back of your hair can stick to this Velcro bit. But anyway, I still think it will probably work because I got most of it on the Velcro bits on the side. And yeah, I feel like I look a bit ridiculous. Like, you definitely want to be doing it at night time because I wouldn't want to be walking down the street like this. But yeah, I'm gonna sleep in it and I'll let you guys know what it looks like tomorrow morning. Hello guys, good morning. So I've slept with the Aurora Band in. It wasn't too comfy, like I didn't have a great night's sleep now, to be honest. So I'm gonna take it out now. I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but let's give it a go. Okay, so I think you, like, do you, oh my god, I don't even, ow, I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Okay, this is the finished product. I hate this. This looks absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, no, hair is not curly. There you go. I definitely think if you did it with dry hair it would look better. But right now I feel like I look like I'm from the 80s. So, there you go. Hello guys, so we're back for round 2 of the Aurora Band. It didn't work at all this morning. I looked absolutely ridiculous. So my roommate, I just showed her the video, she's laughing at me. So now we're going to do it with dry hair tonight and hopefully it'll work a little bit better. One other thing I want to say is I actually didn't sleep very well with it in last night because it's kind of uncomfortable. But we're going to put it in this time and I'm going to put it on the right way around this time, and yeah, fingers crossed all goes well. Guys, second day of the Aurora Band, and I think I slept a bit rough last night. Like, it looks really flat, but yeah, I'm going to take it out now. I'm so hoarse, I've literally just woken up, but I just want to take it off, like it's annoying me, so I'm going to do it now. Okay, like, I don't really understand how you take it off. Do you just kind of, look at this. Oh dear. Okay, so this is the final result. Now, down here is actually quite nice. You've kind of got your boho curl going on there. It was a nightmare to try to take out with dry hair though. The like Velcro was like literally not coming off. But like this, is it like the shape of my hair or something? I don't even know. Like, the Aurora Band has not worked for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, who knows, but this concludes our tried and tested. So leave a comment below if you use it and it actually does work for you, or if you've had similar results to me. Until next time, see you later.